Hey guys, Dr. Shawn here today in Denver, Colorado, where I just want to give you a little tip on how hard your body works when you're in the sun. So I brought out my heat stress meter, which shows what the temperature is outside versus what it is when you're in sunlight. So ambient right now is about 96 degrees, and then when you're in the sun, you're looking at about 123 degrees. Hot. Now, why does that matter? Well, our body sits around 98, 99 degrees Fahrenheit. So the ambient is actually cooler. So our body is at a net heat loss as we are sweating because of the temperature difference. But as soon as you step into the sun and your body has to compete with 120 plus degrees outside on your skin, guess what happens? Your body works twice as hard to cool off and create sweat. It burns twice as many calories, twice as many milliliters of fluid, you sweat twice as fast. Everything is doubled because now your body is not only having to work against the gradient from the 98 degrees to sweat, which creates energy and effort and costs your body effort to do that. Now you have to do it in a place that's even hotter outside than it is on your inside. So actually our insides are even cooler than the out.